So I've been experiencing low connection and low speeds on my Wi-Fi. So I went online and I ordered a Wi-Fi USB adapter to attach to my USB slot in my computer to hopefully help fix this problem. Here's the bubble mailer package that it came in, and we're gonna open it right now so we can see what's inside. The bubble mailer, and inside is just one box, nothing else. Here it is. It's called the TP-Link 150 Mbps wireless and nano USB adapter. I got the small one because I didn't want it sticking out from the USB slot too much, because I don't want it getting in my way or bending while I'm using the laptop. The smallest 150 Mbps Wi-Fi adapter. No lie, that is pretty small. It's just like the little USB plug-in that comes with your USB mouses. Nano design, USB 2.0. This USB Wi-Fi adapter is compatible with Windows, Mac support plus Linux support. Right here on the side of the box, it shows you more system compatibility points. Some more of the systems, Windows 10.8 through all these other ones. Pretty nice. In the back you have some more information, but enough of that. I've never been much of a reader. I just want to get up in here and see what this product is all about. As I'm opening the box, I see on the top it says 2-year warranty, 24/7 tech support. Nice. A little thin clear film packaging. Here's the box, and you just pull this tab open, and we're gonna pull this out. Woo, that thing is tiny. Here it is. We're gonna put this on the computer real quick and see if there's anything else in here. And there is. Inside here, underneath the USB adapter, is a quick installation guide. Connect to a computer, install the driver, join a wireless network, all the good key points that you might need to set this thing up. And here's the resource CD, so that I'm assuming so you can install the software. And if you don't have a CD drive, I'm pretty sure there's a website that they listed on here that you can visit to download the driver online. Here it is. Cool. Alright, so back to the wireless Wi-Fi USB adapter. Here it is, tiny. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna read the instructions. I'm gonna just plug it into my computer and see what's popping with this thing. It has a little brand marking right there. Get this thing to focus. There you go. So you can see the brand on the USB. It's got little cute little markings on it. It is tiny. Fits in on the tips of my thumb. Here we go. We're plugging it in. I have a USB slot right here. I'm gonna see what's good. Alright. Sure you guys heard that. We have something going on with the Wi-Fi here. Not connected. Connections are available. Wi-Fi 2. Okay. So Wi-Fi 1 is the Wi-Fi from my computer. This is pretty cool because I didn't even need to install the driver software or anything, and I've heard online that some people had luck just plugging it in and it works right away. So it looks like that happened to me. I never had two Wi-Fi options up here, but now I do. So I'm gonna transfer to Wi-Fi 2. You see Wi-Fi 1, that's original, and the signal is just weak sauce. You can see it's just not even 1 bar, it's just a little dot. And if we switch to Wi-Fi 2, which is the USB Wi-Fi, never had that option before. Now you can see I have so many bars right here. This is my internet right here. It's got full bars. I have not seen that in a long time. I'm excited about that. I'm about to connect, and we're gonna see if this really works. And apparently it looks right away that it does. Here we go. We're gonna log on to my internet. Remember guys, before I only had one dot, now I got a full bars. That's pretty cool. If you want to check this item out, as always, I'm gonna put the link to it in the description of this video down below, so you can learn more about it and even decide to make a purchase if you wish. And if you do decide to make a purchase, I get a small cut at no extra cost to you, so I really appreciate it. Here we go. I'm gonna sign on. All right, next, verifying and connecting. We're about to see if this really works. Connected, secured. Wow, full bars. And now down here I got full bars, and honestly guys, I'm pretty amazed. I'm happy. This thing was like, literally, it's really worth the price. It's pretty cheap, under 15 bucks for sure. Even cheaper than that if you guys are lucky. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.